Hi, to check internal storage capacity on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly we will need to open settings on the phone and here scroll till we could find device care tab. Great! Now after that you would see some sections. From here you need to tap on storage, and after that a bar and a percentage will appear on the screen showing how much memory you have already used. Next to it, you'll see how much memory is occupied, how much total memory is available. For example, I got 30.8 gigabytes from 128 gigabytes used, which is 24%. And at the bottom, it shows what the memory occupies on your device from more to less. For example, in my case, images took the most of storage space. You can tap on Show More to see more detailed information about your storage occupation. So if you want to free up some storage space, you can scroll a bit more, check your recycle bin, your trash. Here you'll see how many gigabytes or so on you'll free up if you delete those items. You can tap on the three dots at this trash bin to your home screen, or you can go in any folder you see here. You can tap on Edit, choose those files, and choose to delete all. Let's delete those items like that and go back. Now we just freed up some space. We can also go in unused apps. Here you can delete those apps as well, so you need to select them and choose to uninstall, and here you would see how much space you'll free up. And of course you can delete some duplicate files if you got ones, and you can check this last setting, large files. So here we can delete those large files to free up some space. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.